What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Colin, and today we're going to be going over one of Oakley's most popular frames for cyclists, runners, and really anyone with an active lifestyle, the Oakley Sutro. Now, these sunglasses have been turning heads for a reason, so today I'll be breaking down everything you need to know. First, let's talk design. The Oakley Sutro is all about that bold, futuristic look. The oversized shield-style lens gives you a maximum coverage while making a statement on and off the road. I mean, just take a look at them. They're aggressive, they're sleek, they're kind of futuristic, and they come in a variety of different colors. There's really something for everyone here. These aren't just fashion forward though. Oakley's known for combining style with function, and that's exactly what they've done here. Now let's talk about lenses, which is arguably the most important part of sunglasses. It's why you wear them. The Sutro comes with Oakley's proprietary prism technology. What that means for you is enhanced contrast and color visibility. When you're cycling or running, especially in bright conditions, you can easily see every detail on the road or trail, which is a huge advantage. Whether it's harsh sunlight, a cloudy day, or really anything in between, the prism lenses adapt and provide crystal clear vision. So they're great for sports and everyday use. And if you ever find that your lenses are scratched or worn out, we've got you covered. You can easily replace them with premium replacement lenses here at Fuse. Not only do we offer replacement lenses for any brand, but we also provide our own version of what Oakley calls their prism technology. This is called AMP, and it amps up specific colors in your environment, very similar to Oakley's prism technology, and we argue it's even better and cheaper. Now let's talk about the fit. They come in unibotanium nose pads, which is extremely hard to say, but they actually get grippier as you sweat, so no worrying about your sunglasses riding down your face during a workout. And even though the lens is large, they don't feel heavy on your face at all. The wraparound design provides full coverage without that tight, uncomfortable feeling that other sports sunglasses have. So whether you're running a marathon or just going for a walk, they stay on your face and they feel great. Durability is also a big factor, especially if you're investing in a premium pair of sunglasses like these. Oakley's O-Matter frame is incredibly tough and flexible. You can drop these, accidentally bend them, and they'll snap right back into shape without any damage. And with Fuse lenses, these are impact and shatter resistant. So if you're out on the road and something kicks up in your face, the lenses will be just fine. And they come in the same durability and clarity as the originals. So who are Oakley Sutro sunglasses really for? If you're into cycling, running, or any outdoor sports, these are a great choice. But even if you're looking for a stylish, durable pair of sunglasses for everyday wear, the Sutros won't disappoint. They're versatile, comfortable, and most importantly, they perform. And if you want to keep them performing for years, replacement lenses from us is also a great option. Overall, the Oakley Sutro is a solid investment if you're serious about performance eyewear. You get Oakley's comfortable and durable frame in a bold design that makes you stand out. Whether you're hitting the road or the trail or just want to look sharp, these are a great option. If you tried the Sutros and you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget, if your lenses need replacing, hit us up at Fuse. We can do replacement lenses for almost any name brand sunglasses. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.